Welcome to this guided meditation presented by Mindfulisms. At Mindfulisms, we believe meditation should be free. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to help us spread the benefits of mindful living. And now, let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position and take a big, deep breath in through your nose and gently exhaling out the mouth. And again. And again. And as you exhale, feel your facial muscles soften, your jaw relaxes, your shoulders drop back, away from your ears. Focusing on the breath. We breathe in and we breathe out. Together we recognize that we are here in this present moment, and only here. You are not being pulled anywhere else in any other direction except for sitting right here and designating this special time for yourself. And on the next out breath, let the eyes gently close, continuing to breathe with intention, drawing in stillness with each breath through your nose, releasing anxiety and worry with each breath out. And as you breathe, imagine the oxygen flowing through your body. When we're stressed, we often forget to breathe with intention. But this air now flowing into your body will relieve the tension and stress you've been storing in each muscle. Breathing in through the nose, the oxygen flows into your brain, and from the very top of your head it flows down to your jaw, softening the muscles, then to your neck, releasing the tension and stress in the shoulders. The shoulders roll back and away from the ears. That sense of relaxation cascades down your back like a waterfall. Each nerve and muscle in the back softens. And as you breathe and focus on your body, note any tension or pain points. Simply observing these sensations. No judgment. You're not trying to fix anything. You're just being present in this moment and letting each intentional breath bring oxygen and stress relief throughout your body. Imagining the air flowing to the tips of your fingers, releasing any stiffness in the arms or your hands. We spend so much time holding our phones these days, we often don't realize the phantom grip we keep our hands in. Let your hands melt. Release the tension you're holding. Breathing in through the nose, the oxygen flows into your brain, and from the very top of your head it flows down to your jaw, softening the muscles, then to your neck, releasing the tension and stress in the shoulders. The shoulders roll back and away from the ears. That sense of relaxation cascades down your back like a waterfall. Each nerve and muscle in the back softens. And as you breathe and focus on your body, note any tension or pain points. Simply observing these sensations. No judgment. You're not trying to fix anything. You're just being present in this moment and letting each intentional breath bring oxygen and stress relief throughout your body. Imagining the air flowing to the tips of your fingers, releasing any stiffness in the arms or your hands. We spend so much time holding our phones these days, we often don't realize the phantom grip we keep our hands in. Let your hands melt. Release the tension you're holding. And as you continue to breathe, the oxygen flows into your hips, down your legs, and into the tips of your toes. Follow the breath and allow it to release the muscles in your lower body. And now bring all of your awareness, all of your attention, simply onto the breath. The breath flows easily. The breath is never late. The breath simply is, flowing in and flowing out. Life is like the breath, coming and going. The breath has nowhere to be. The breath simply is. Just as you simply are, in each moment. Your life is always happening in the present moment. Your life is always happening in each present breath. Each thought comes and goes. You see the thoughts. You exist with each thought. But these thoughts do not share your journey. Your journey is only yours. Breathing in and breathing out. No judgment. Awareness and comfort are accessible now, in this moment, just as they always are, no matter where you are. Your lungs fill with relaxation and awareness. Anxiety leaves your body with every breath out. And now we'll take a big deep breath. And as you exhale, feel that sensation of the ground under your feet. Wiggle your toes. Gently wiggle your fingertips. Listen to the sounds around you and allow yourself to gently open your eyes. Welcome to Right Now. Thank you for joining this mindfulisms meditation. Our mission is to help you live a stress-free life and give you the free tools that will enhance your workflow, focus, and sleep patterns. We're a holistic approach to a better state of mind. And most importantly, we believe meditation should be free and accessible for all communities. Subscribe to join our community and enjoy free meditations and focus tools uploaded daily. And if you want to help us spread this message and mission of accessible mindfulness, then please like and share this video. It really helps and we really appreciate it. Remember, it's the journey that matters. Happy travels. Thanks for watching.